Hey guys, Shelby Townsend again, and back here watching St.Playing.Fan, and got another Godzilla toy review. And this time, I got another Godzilla figure that I want to review with that I haven't reviewed in one of those videos. So here he is, the Showa Mechagodzilla. Now, if the Showa Mechagodzilla is well from the movies, he's really a really great enemy. Well, a bad one, but yeah, but he's a really cool robot. Yeah. So let's go on size comparison. I mean, wait. And when Mechagodzilla's history goes, the show he only appeared in a lot of movies, but this intercalation is only in one. He also appeared in Godzilla vs. Mechagodzilla 2, but that is a different generation. That's Mechagodzilla 2. That's a different Mechagodzilla. He also was in the Millennium series, but that's a different Mechagodzilla. Right now we're looking at this Mechagodzilla. We're looking at the Showa one. Let's go on for some detail. So then look at the hand, look at the metal on him, and look at the hands. He's got bullets on his fingers. Look, you can see they rotate 360. You can see these arms rotate 360. The bottom rotates 360. The head rotates 360. And yeah, the legs rotate 360. Okay, yes. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. And you can see, look at the spines. They're kind of like Zilla's spines, but they're different looking, even Zilla's. Okay. So now let's go on for some size comparison. So let's take out the Millennium Mechagodzilla Kiryu. Yes, and they're both Mechagodzillas. That's true. Yeah. Okay. And Kiryu's different looking, and yeah. Okay. So let's take out, and the next one, let's take out the second Kiryu. This Kiryu. Okay. Okay. Yes, I only have Kiryu. I don't have the Heisei Mechagodzilla. Okay. And the other monster that I got, we're gonna take it siphon with Godzilla, the 60s Godzilla, because I don't have the 70s Godzilla. So by the way, if you see if Mechagodzilla was up to here, he was about like this big. If he was like behind Godzilla, like when Godzilla was holding in, Mechagodzilla was about like this big, and Godzilla's taller than him. So yeah. Okay. And another figure that I got is the monster from the movie King Caesar. Now, if King Caesar could be bigger, no, King Caesar is actually small. I could be saying that Mechagodzilla is this big because King Caesar's fast and I think he's small. Yeah. Yes. But by the way, when Mechagodzilla shoots his laser, King Caesar catches his laser on his eyes and shoots the same laser as him. Yeah. So yeah. And let me get one of the monsters from the previous film, Megalon. Yes. But you know, Megalon was not in Godzilla vs. Mechagodzilla. He was in Godzilla vs. Megalon. I'm just taking him I decided to take him because he was from the previous film. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and that's going to be it for the review. And I hope you guys subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys later.